Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve SBI Clerk Junior Associate past year question paper. The questions are from 2020. It is memory based, so there might be some errors, but still this will give you a perfect idea of how the questions will be asked. As you already know, there are three sections: numerical ability, English and reasoning ability. We are starting with the numerical ability section. So question number 31 to 35, there is a direction given. What should come in place of the question mark in the following number series? Question number 31, 72,000, 36,000, 12,000, 3,600, and then comes the question mark. So you have to find out the number that replaces the question mark. When you look at the numbers, you can see that 72,000 divided by 2 will give 36,000. Now 36,000 divided by 3 will give you 12,000. Divide this by 4, you will get 3,000. Divide this by 5, you will get 600. Divide this by 6, you will get 100. So the answer here is option C, 100. I hope you understood how I solved this question. So whenever you see series kind of questions, you try to identify what is the recurring relationship between the numbers. So here it was divide by 2, then add one more, divide by 3, add one more, divide by 4, 5, 6 and so on. Question number 32. 6, 8, 14, 26, 46 and then the question mark. So let's find out the difference between these numbers. Between 6 and 8 it is 2. By 8 and 14 it is 6. Then it becomes 12 and then it becomes 20. To solve this you need careful observation. You can see here that 2 is made of 1 into 2. Then the second number 6 is made of 2 into 3. 12 is made of 3 into 4. And 20 is made of 4 into 5. So I hope you understood the pattern. It is 1 into 2. Then add 1 to 1 and 2. You will get 2 and 3. Again 3 and 4. Again 4 and 5. Next one would be 5 and 6. So here it is 30. So you have to add 30 with the 46 and you will get 76. Option B is the answer. Next is question number 33. It starts with 76 and goes on to 80. So there is a difference of 4. Next one has a difference of 27. Next it is 16 and the next one we don't know and the last one also we don't know. When I see this number I feel that there is something to do with the squares or cubes. So 2 square is 4, 3 cube is 27, 16 is 4 square. So from whatever we have seen until now we can see 2, 3, 4. So the number is increasing. And for the first one we find the square, the second one we find the cube, the next one is square. So I hope that the next one is cube. So let's put it as 5 cube and the next would be 6 square. Let's look whether this matches or not. So we reached till 123 and now you add 5 cube which is 125. So 123 plus 125 you will get 248. Alright, 248. And if our theory is right, 248 plus 6 square which is 36 should be 284. It is. So the answer here is option A. And one more thing to remember is if you find that it is very hard to find the solution, come back to it after you have completed all other questions. Now we go to question number 34. 400 changes to 394, so there is a difference of 6. Then 394 to 378, there is a difference of 16. 378 to 352, it is 26. 350 to 316 is 36. I hope you got the progression. So the next one should be 46. So from 316, subtract 46, you will get 16, 300, 32, 70. So option A is the answer. So this one was a very simple question. I expect some of the questions to be this simple. Now we come to question number 35. The first number is 18, then it changes to 31. So there is a difference of 13. The next one is there is a difference 11. Then 42 to 49, there is 7, 49, 54, 5. So here there is no definite increase or decrease. 13 becomes 11, there is 2 difference and then suddenly it becomes 4 and then it becomes 2 again. So we cannot find a pattern over there. So if you reach such a situation where you cannot find a definite pattern, then you should think about the possibility of using different theorems or different number system basics. And if you look carefully, you can find out that all these numbers are prime. So the prime number here starts from 13. And then the next one behind it is 11, 7, 5 and the next one should be 3. So 54. So 54 plus 3 will give you 57. Option C is the answer. We will continue to solve the past year question paper. Based on your opinions, I will be uploading preparation videos for the SBI preliminary exam. Hope this video was useful. Share your opinions to the comment section. Stay safe and see you again.